Hello everyone. We have Dr. Rijul Agarwal, AIMS May 2018, rank 6. Many many congrats Rijul.
Thank you so much,
हाँ,
sir.
how is the feeling?
So it's very great right now.
हाँ, अच्छा लग रहा है.
बहुत
Okay.
2 months के बाद.
ये 2 months के बाद. Let's hear your story from yourself only.
Okay.
I have just few questions and then you keep on telling us what you have felt and I will just inboxing you किया और क्या चीज़ थी. You were our which student?
So basically, I joined DAMS on 14th November 2016. So from there, I started studying and
You were a
as
foundation batch student.
regular batch.
Regular batch
Regular
student.
batch student.
Okay.
So from there, we started as guided by sir and many other teachers. As he told, we progressed, and then that NEET exam came in
Okay.
2018.
How was your experience of our classes?
So experience of classes was very good. I think it's the what you can say gold standard of what we study, that
Okay.
regular classroom teaching program, and the notes which all the teachers give are very excellent.
क्या हम जो टॉपिक्स पढ़ाते हैं, जो हम सब्जेक्ट को कवर करते हैं, इज इट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव? क्या हम एक चीज़ को एक ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव में पढ़ा पाते हैं कि बच्चे की तैयारी एक अच्छे तरीके से हो जाए एग्जाम के लिए?
So the notes are very comprehensive. They're I'm so confident right now that even if someone calls the exam next week, so I'm confident that I just need to do 13-14 registers of mine, in which I will be able to cover all the 19 subjects. So that's it. And then
What was your rank in NB NEET and what is your rank in NAIMS में? How it has transformed?
So I'll start from the beginning. On 25th January 2018, the result came out of NB. My rank was in 1648. I remember the time exactly at which I saw my rank. It was 5 p.m. in the evening, and literally I was devastated on seeing that rank, because whatsoever, maybe I hope I will get a better rank.
In fact, I was sure of his rank.
So it happened what happened. Then I contacted sir. So he told me ki koi nahi, meet me once. So I remember exactly on 3rd Feb I met him in this very office downstairs. So he was the one who said कि कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है private लेने की.
He was about to take a seat in private college or some donation and all that.
It was his words against the rest of the world that I can tell right now, because no one was agreeing कि everyone was like कि counseling के rules ऐसे हो गए हैं, next year का कुछ पता नहीं है. So all I can say, counseling के rules की वजह से it shouldn't be, the rules of the counseling shouldn't be the one to dictate your seat, which your dreams also. कोई रूल ऐसा नहीं आएगा नेक्स्ट ईयर से कि लास्ट रैंक से काउंसलिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. इफ यू आर इन द टॉप 100, देन नो वन कैन स्टील अ सीट फ्रॉम यू, व्हाटसोएवर द रूल्स ऑफ द काउंसलिंग मे बी. सो ऑल दैट आई कैन से इज not to go for this options other than a government seat.
Other than government seat. We basically encourage the students to aim for a government seat. It doesn't matter from which college you are coming from. Our main focus is on which college you are going. And we want you to get a college which you deserve the best, right? And चलो apart from the regular batch and classes में मैं पूछता हूँ कुछ faculties के बारे में.
So regarding the faculties, I could everyone before me have been taking certain names. I'll take some other names than those. I like to highlight Ankit sir of dental, who takes DADH and dental materials. So I don't think anyone in this country right now can explain how well he explains the concepts of those alloys and all. I remember asking these things in my college in my second year. Even none of the teachers were able to explain it to me. Everyone like कि कुछ नहीं आएगा, कुछ नहीं, छोड़ दो,
कुछ नहीं आएगा, छोड़ दो. जो हमें नहीं आता वो किसी को नहीं आता.
And as moving forward in DADH, I think Wheeler's को, if you read it, it's like a theoretical book. You cannot attempt MCQs from it. But the way in which he explained and in the MCQ format, it was very good.
So, master of DM DADH, Ankit Gupta. I'm sure you must be listening to it once we see go live on this video. Any other faculties?
Any other? And of course, one more person I would like to take name of is Nitin sir of Endo. Many students would be like not liking his way of teaching. It's monotonous, but for them I can only say that the way his nothing come out of its notes. I can assure you that even the SR exam of if you see those questions, not even a single question was out of his notes. Even he has written the liner thickness also, which was present in his notes. I guarantee you that.
Apart from the regular batch, what else is the experience regarding? Have you given CBT?
Yeah, I gave CBT. It was held in last year October.
Yeah. How was the experience?
It was good. The first time I gave a 3-hour exam. Before that, we were just giving 1.5-hour exam.
Okay.
The first time we gave a 3-hour exam. So
How was the experience?
it was very good actually. First time you able to give a proper.
It reduces the fear factor of
Visiting a
facing the
center.
exam and visiting centers, or hall ticket and all that. Anxiety is reduced and the performance is definitely been enhanced. DBT, how was the session of DBT?
DBT was also good. Everyone has already done. For biochem chemistry, I would like to highlight once again Ankit sir's role. His DVT, I remember the way he used to explain those options, like even if you don't know the answer, he used to begin it like this कि मुझे कुछ नहीं पता इस क्वेश्चन में, चलो ऑप्शन से शुरू करते हैं कि ये ऑप्शन हो नहीं सकता, ये कुछ नहीं हो सकता, ये कुछ नहीं हो सकता, तो ऑटोमेटिकली कुछ भी नहीं आता तो यू आर एबल टू अटेम्प्ट, बिकॉज एज सर टोल्ड कि मेडिकल नॉलेज तो इतनी वास्ट है, देयर इज बाउंड टू कम अ क्वेश्चन जिसके बारे में आपको कुछ नहीं पता होगा. So the art is that कि आपको कुछ ना पता हो उस क्वेश्चन को, if you are able to attempt this, then you are able to do it.
How is the Facebook club?
Facebook club is like very good. मतलब first time I am not very much into social media. मतलब सर के कहने पे आया वो जबरदस्ती एक चेक कर, but अब वो habit ही बन चुकी है कि इतनी कि right now I have cleared my exam. I was while I was coming, I was checking
Even after clearing the exam, he was checking the club.
Club,
कि
I
कुछ
was-
नया आया है क्या?
I was just going through recently. Mamta ma'am posted something. I was just reading to that
Okay.
only.
Class test, subject wise test.
Class and subject wise tests were also very good. Especially the class tests which the teachers used to make, they were quite good questions, for practical questions which right now AIMS are asking.
Is asking. Any message to your students?
Message is only that first of all believe in yourself. If you think you cannot do it, then your battle is gone only then. If I have thought at that time कि नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता इसके बाद, अब तो खत्म है, इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद भी if you are not able to, तो शायद maybe I would not be sitting here right now.
And which branch? How many questions you have attempted in AIMS?
हाँ, that I attempted 88 questions out of 90.
88. And दो क्यों छोड़े?
दो इसलिए छोड़े कि लग रहा था ज्यादा हो गया.
ज्यादा हो गया. Okay, 88 के बाद इन्हें तो क्या शायद थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया.
If you are attempting anything less than 85, then it's no point in AIMS is
I
like
recommend at least 90% hit. It should be there.
it's otherwise no point. If right now also if you see the NEET result also, basically they have
Out of 240, many have
many
220
attempted
plus 220 plus. they
225
have
plus
attempted.
everyone has attempted, but in NEET you can go for it because their seats are more, but in AIMS there is no point in attempting less than 85.
Okay, okay. और कुछ चीज?
और कुछ that's it, sir. I can only say, sir, keep on inspiring someone like me.
We'll keep on doing it. We'll keep on doing it.
Keep on doing it, but let's hope कि मेरी condition पे आके ना हो. पहले निकाल जाए
These
sir.
things happen, but when it happens, we are there.
Yeah,
That is the most important
that
thing
I
which
can say.
which we are there. So here we have Dr. Rijul Agarwal, AIMS May 2019, rank 6. Many congrats. Wish
Thank
you
you.
all the best.
Thank you so much.
ठीक है?
Thank you.